All right, so we have the first step on where you're going to get the information to do weekly recognition. So now what I'm going to show you and share with you is how to take that information for the top 10 and create an image for them, for that shout out. So I'm going to share my screen again. And so again, I have my Excel open on my left and my Canva open on my right. And like I said on the call with you, that all of the stuff is already created. It's just recreating it every week. And so here is the cover photo that I use for our Team FHK PS Coaches group, which is just for my personally sponsored. So I only shout out my personally sponsored coaches weekly. And so I try to make this a little bit bigger so that I can see names. And so I just delete here and I go through, type their name and the amount of volume that they had. And if you can find a more efficient way to do this, by all means, have at it. This is just how I do it and how I've always done it. So if you are tech savvy and you can create a new way, a new system, feel free to make this easier on yourself in any way possible. Oh, this guy snuck in here. 5, 6, 8. These are not mine. 12. Okay, so sometimes you make mistakes. Just go in there and fix it. And you can send this to me before we upload it, and that way, we can make sure we have the right coaches on there, because I know you're going to be learning names as we go. I'm actually going to add 6 and 6 because we have 12 people. So I'm going to put 6 over here, and I'm going to put Candace. And then this box is already created. My typing skills are usually a little bit better. Okay. Okay, so then just move that up. And this is hiding behind here. And so I'm going to do the top 12 and just change that. So that's it. That's the top producers for total volume. That's our cover page. Everything else is already done. It's just inputting the names and doing it. So then I download it, download image. Top producers total volume is going to be the name of it. And what I'll have you do, once it's downloaded to your computer, is go back to our Google Drive, and you can do new, file upload, and then download. Well, you could open this. It downloads into a zip, and I'm not quite sure why. And then I just click the first one, and it'll open on your computer. Now, if you have a Mac, this might all be a little bit different, but it should kind of run the same structure. So then it opens this whole photo. And again, if you know how to do this better and more efficiently, then please do. So then you'll go to the little save button. And I obviously have a whole folder and I save it in my coach's SC, which is my coach's shout out. So then I say April 28 volume. And I save that. So I would save it to your computer. It's saved. Get rid of this. And now when you're back in Google Drive, you can go to New, File Upload, and find where you saved that file. So April 28 volume. And you can upload it here. And then that way you can text me and say, hey, Britt, the April volume is done. You can, then I can log into this. I can check it, make sure that it's just my PS coaches on there. And I can say, perfect, we're all set. And then I'll have you go into Facebook, which you'll have my login. And you'll go into Team FHK PS Coaches. And then you're gonna go right into here. And if you hover over the cover photo, say change group photo, and then go to upload. And you're gonna use that same photo. And you're gonna April 28 volume. And you're just gonna upload that. And I move it up so you can see everyone's name and push save changes. And then if you refresh it, you'll see that it's now a post in my page, in the team page right here. So then if you click the down arrow, edit post, and then I just write a little blurb. Congratulations to the top producers on Team FHK for this week. So something short, sweet, encouraging, just, making sure that they know that I'm grateful for the work that they've done and everything they've worked really hard for, and, just to keep them going. I like it. You can love it if you want. And that's it. So that's how you're going to create the top producers total volume cover photo. Okay?